Yo, what's up guys, welcome to the channel and this new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install PHP and also some basic configuration that I made every time I work on a new release. Excuse me for my English, but I'm Italian, so I will do my best. So first let's move on to Google and search for PHP download. You can enter in the first site, php.net. Okay, you can see that the stable version at the moment is PHP 8.2.4. These three first links refer to Linux type machines. In my case, I work on Windows 1, so click on Windows Downloads. I recommend to work always on treat safe version to avoid compatibility problems, so click on zip and open the file you just downloaded. Okay, now open a new folder and enter in the path this PC, Windows C, users, and in my case I already have a PHP folder. You can create a new one and call it PHP. Okay, inside it create a new folder called PHP 8.2.4 and drag all this file inside this new folder. Okay, you can give all the permissions. Okay, now copy this path and let's move to the search bar and search for env to access at the environment variables. Click here and search under system variables path and then click on edit. Okay, if you don't have any refer to PHP, you can click on new. In my case, I already have a string that refers to PHP, so I click this one and click on edit. Now paste your path. Click OK. Now you can close all these windows. Okay, now let's check if everything is working fine. So open your terminal and now you can type either PHP version or PHP v, and you can see that the actual version in use is PHP 8.2.4. Okay, now let's test this PHP, and so we can create a new folder. We can call it test PHP. Okay, and inside it we can create a new file. We can call it hello world.php. Yes. You can open this file with any text editor. In my case, I will use VS Code. Okay. These are the usual PHP tag, and the goal of this file is to show on the screen a specific string, hello world string. Now, to execute this file, you can open the terminal, copy the path where your file is located and access in this path and execute it with the command php hello world.php. Okay, you can see that the string is correctly shown on the screen, so it's working correctly. Now let's make some changes that I made every time I work on a new release. So you can go again in the PHP folder you just created and rename the php.ini development file to just php.ini. Okay. Also, in this case, you can open this file with any text editor. Okay, now we must search for the memory limit string. Just a second, we must edit its value and change this value to 1G. Okay, that's fine. Now search for Axt. Okay, and enable this line. Okay, now further down you can scroll and search for some extensions. Okay, you can enable these extensions such as curl, ftp, file info, get text, mysqli, openssl, pdo, and soap and sockets. Okay, that's enough. Retry as admin. Okay, give all the permissions. Okay, now we can test again this file. So again, open the terminal, accessing the path, and execute the hello world file. Okay. Okay, everything's working correctly. So guys, I hope that you like this tutorial and see you next time. Bye.